my semi-furnished apartment tour. This is my little living room, and the first thing you guys are gonna notice is probably the windows. And yes, I do live in a basement apartment. This might be a little weird to you guys, but for those of you who live near the Ontario area, you guys know that basement apartments are very common in Ontario, Canada. There's a huge demand for housing over here. The housing in Ontario is extremely expensive, and so you can save a good couple of $100 by just settling for a basement apartment, which is what I did. I'm saving like $800 a month on average just by living in an apartment. And I really love this one because this condo was actually built 3.5 years ago, so it's pretty new, and they actually made the basement a lot bigger just because it was made for this purpose. So anyway, enough of that. If you guys have questions, leave it in the comments. But this is my living room. So we're gonna start off here. You guys see my art. Yellow and green are, well, I'm not really a big fan of yellow to be honest, but I don't know, I just thought it was really nice and that it just complemented the living room, so I went with a yellow theme. So this art that I got here, I actually got from Heart. I got it for $40, so it's a pretty good price. You guys see that I have to do some painting over here. We're just gonna ignore that, just don't even look at it, okay? But I got this for $40 at Heart, and my TV is a smart TV with a Roku, built-in Roku, that I got for $400 at Canadian Tire, for those of you who live in Canada. These little flowers that I got, I just thought it just really went well and just brought some color to my place, because my place is very gray, very dark, so I wanted a bright color to bring it out. So I got these flowers. These are not real, these are fake flowers that I actually got from the dollar store. I also got this vase and this mirror, which is supposed to be a coaster. I got these all at the dollar store. I actually did a come shopping with me for my apartment video, so if you guys want to see that, I'll leave it down below. And all these stones I also got from the dollar store, and they were all about $1.25. So that's that. When you come down here, I have my books. So you guys, for those of you who have not tapped in, tap in, okay? I got my daily gratitude for nurses. I also got the one for the nursing students. My clinical logbook I actually use, so that's in my nursing bag. But I just kept these here, and I just put some candles here. I have these fake plants that I also got from the dollar store. I think this was $4. And behind it, I got this light that I also got from the dollar store for $4. It is an LED light, so it does change colors when you use the remote. I just put it behind there. It adds a little pop to my whole TV unit. I also got this Good Vibes Only light from the dollar store. This was about $4, and it comes with all the letters, so you can pretty much just write whatever you want. It doesn't have, you don't have to write like Good Vibes Only. This I also got from the dollar store for $1, and there I have my incense, as well as these shells that I also got from the dollar store. We're all about cheap and cute here. So I got this from the dollar store as well. Ignore that nail, I put it there for a reason. And then I got the coaster. I got this little plant. Ooh, I got my hush hush in the back. Y'all don't need to see that, but this plant I also got from the dollar store for about $2, as well as the candles. And here I just have all my school books. And so yeah, that's pretty much what my whole TV setup looks like. And this is what it looks like when you're sitting down. Right there, I got this frame from the dollar store, and I just have, I just wrote welcome, and I have the Wi-Fi password. Right, so moving on to the rest of the living room, I've got my couch here. I can't really tell you guys where I got my couch from because I actually don't know the name of the place. It was just like a private family business based in Toronto, and they dropped it off for me. I actually got this couch for a really good price. It was brand new, fresh out the box, and I got it for $800, so that was pretty cool. This throw over, it's just a cover that I think my mom got from Rossi. I actually stole it from my mom's house, and I just threw it on there. I just felt like it matched since the pillows are white and black. Well, since the back pillow is white and then the pillow in the front is gray and black. The couch actually came with those pillows, as well as the ottoman. I don't have anything in the ottoman, but on it, I just have my ashtray. For those of you who don't know, I'm a smoker. Don't come for me. Yes, I do smoke occasionally. I have the remote for the light that I was talking to you guys about, and I have the remote for my TV. And this I got from, I also got from Heart, and I paid $9.99 for it. So that is pretty much what my living room looks like, just so that you guys can see it. Yeah, this is pretty much the view. Oh, as well as the long mirror I got from Walmart for $10. So that's pretty much it for the living room. Now let's move on to the kitchen. All right, so my apartment is kind of an open concept type of, feel. So this is my kitchen. I contemplated really, really hard. Sorry, there's like that random small fridge right there. We're gonna ignore the fridge. That's not supposed to be there. It's actually supposed to be a dishwasher. So maybe I'll get a dishwasher eventually, although I really hate dishwashers. I don't believe in dishwashers. I like to hand wash my stuff. I don't like to see no streaks on my cups, okay? But anyway, so this is my kitchen. I really contemplated really hard on whether or not I should get stainless steel, but I didn't really feel like the white looked that bad, and I did save myself a couple $100 by not getting the stainless steel, and I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks. Maybe later on I will get stainless steel, maybe not, because I actually don't really plan on staying in this apartment for too long, so maybe I'll get stainless steel with my next apartment. But anyway, so you got the little island going on here, which I absolutely love. It gives me a lot of space to cook, to do my stuff, and it kind of makes me want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, so I love that. These two chairs, I can't really tell you where I got them because I took them from my mom's house. She actually just got new bar stools for the island at her house, and so she gave me these until I can get cuter ones, so that's what I got. Here, I also have this flower and this little vase and the same stones that I also got from the dollar store, along with the mirror coasters that I showed you guys before. I got my Nicolas Lalou wine here because I don't know, sometimes a girl just wants a glass of wine. So yeah, here is my stove. This is, just a random rose gold kettle that I got from Heart. I think I paid $10 for that. And then I got my blender that I also got from Heart. I think I paid about $20 for the blender. It was really inexpensive and it actually works really well, so I'm happy about that. Here I got some sugar, got some cereal. I don't even eat cereal, but anyway, I got some sugar, some cereal, and stuff here in these containers that I also got from the dollar store. I know this looks gross, but this is just where the sticker was. I really don't understand why they put the stickers on here. They should put it at the bottom, but anyway. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do have a sensor light. So when I come close to the counter, the sensor light turns on. And yeah, this is pretty much my kitchen. Yeah, I have my toaster. I have my bottle for my little kitty. You guys saw the kitty that I got. I actually had to get rid of him. I sold him, so I don't have him anymore, unfortunately, but that's his bottle. I'm just leaving it there as a souvenir. This toaster I got for $25 at Heart. And this microwave, I think I got for like $100 and something at Walmart. I have this picture frame that honestly I got from the dollar store as well. It was $5, but honestly, like, I think this is so cute. And it says petit déjeuner, which means breakfast. It says it right underneath. I just thought it fit because of the French. Y'all know I'm French, so I don't know. I just thought it was super cute, and I think it really fits the kitchen since, you see that there's food and the two tables for the people to eat. So I thought this was really, really cute, and it should definitely be more than $5. Here I have these 3 random flowers, and I know it looks really random, but it's because I had a paint job to do. You guys see that I have these little like paint spots, and I had 3 of them that were actually like diagonal from each other, and so I just decided that I needed to cover it with something. I know this is not the cutest thing, and I'm definitely gonna get better frames to put there, but I just couldn't stand to see the dots, so I put that in the meantime, and I'm actually satisfied. Guys, so bienvenue à ma salle de bain. Welcome to my bathroom. Yeah, so this is pretty much what my bathroom looks like. The bathroom actually came with these lights. I did not get those installed. The bathroom just came like that. I got these two little bulb plant decoration thingies at the dollar store. I think I got everything at the freaking dollar store. I think they were about $4 each, and I thought they were super cute. I love this massive mirror. I just absolutely love it. It just makes a bathroom look so much better. Here I have my two cabinets. I don't really have anything special in here, just my hair stuff, some tampons, and then on this side I just have some band-aids, some cream, Epsom salt, deodorant, toothbrush, shaving cream, razors, things like that. I'm not going to show you guys these cupboards down here because they're a mess, so we're not going to go in there. There's nothing really special in there, just a bunch of like bathroom stuff as well. Here, I know my shower curtain definitely needs some ironing. It is definitely wrinkly, but I thought it was so pretty. I absolutely love the gold leaves on it. I think it was so cute. We're gonna ignore my bathroom mat. I actually put this fresh brand new mat down about 2 days ago, but y'all know white bathroom mats, they just get dirty hella quick, so don't judge me, okay? I actually just put these up. I thought that the back of my bathroom looked really plain, so I went and got myself these two frames that I actually got from the dollar store as well. The dollar store over here just has really cute stuff, okay? So like I said, we're going for cheap and cute. These two frames are like $2 or something like that, and then this I got from Hart for $9, $9.99 actually, so $10. I thought this was really cute, and I thought it would go really well with my bathroom, considering the fact that the brown around the frame is pretty much almost exactly the same thing as my bathroom cabinet. And I thought that this gold and with the leaves also looked really well, because I thought it went really well with the little bulb decorations. Even though I know the top of the bulbs are silver, considering the fact that the stones in them are a little bit brownish goldish, I thought that it would look really cute. Plus the plant and my shower curtain is gold, so I thought that this would go perfectly well with the shower curtain, and all the other shower curtains that I have would also match this really well. So that's what I got, and that is pretty much what my bathroom is looking like. It is small, but it is cute, and it gets the job done. I know you guys are probably wondering what's in here, but this is just the boiler room. Nothing special in here. So let us move on. Welcome to my bedroom. Very simple. This is my closet. It is pretty freaking huge. There's this towel, this mirror that I got. It's the same exact one that I have in my living room. I also got it for $10 at Walmart. The lights on top of it do not come with the mirror. These are kind of like vanity lights. I actually got these from the dollar store. They're $4, but I thought it just added a little va-va-voom to the mirror. I didn't want to put them all around because I already have my regular bedroom lights plus the LED lights, so I didn't want too much. But this, when I mix it with the colors of the LED lights at night, it looks really good. So that's that. I'm waiting for my nightstand to get shipped off to me, but in the meantime, I just needed something to rest my stuff on, so I just got this simple table for $10 at Walmart. The same plants that I got from the dollar store, with the same vase, the same stones, and the same coaster mirror. I got this picture frame at Hart, and I really love it because Italy has always been a place that I really want to go to. So I guess this is kind of my way of manifesting Italy. I guess we can basically consider it kind of like a vision board, but not really, right? Because a vision board has all the places you want to go to and all your goals, but this is just Italy. But just by seeing it every day, I feel like I'm attracting it to myself. Maybe after this whole COVID thing. The LED lights I got from Amazon for $20. I will leave a link for that down below. And I got a canopy bed. I absolutely love the whole canopy bed idea. The only thing that I'm missing is the curtains for right now. So those are due to come, but I really love the canopy bed. I got the canopy from Wayfair, and I think I paid about $300 for the frame, and I love it because it comes with the slat, so I didn't have to buy the oh my god, what is it called, the box spring. Exactly. This sheet I got from Heart. I paid $25 for the duvet. I actually had a way nicer duvet, but I mean, I'm very limited in the amount of duvets that I have right now. I only have like 3 or 4, and I had a really cute one, but obviously I had to change that one, so this is the one I have right now. Those pillows came from Mama's house, so I don't know where she got them. And then this throw over sheet is actually super warm. The only thing I don't like about it is that it leaves lint everywhere, but that's just for decoration, and I got that for like $10 at Heart. And then over here, I'm contemplating on whether or not I want to get drawers, because all my clothes fit in my closet, and I also have an extra closet in my second bedroom. So I'm just trying to figure out if I need drawers, and I'm also trying to figure out if I want to get a TV here, because most of the time when I watch TV, I watch it in my living room, and I don't want to like get too comfortable being in my bed. You know, when my alarm goes off, I want to get up and I want to get my day started. I don't want to just stay slumped in my room, and I feel like having a TV is just going to make me too comfortable. So I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Should I get a drawer, or should I just leave it like this? I don't know. Here is my vision board, a stethoscope that was gifted to me. It's a trash stethoscope, but it was a gift, so I just hung it up there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the end of the video. I'm really sorry for the mess in this room, guys. My mom came a couple days ago and brought the rest of my shit, and she just put it here, and I haven't gotten the time to put it away. But this is basically my guest bedroom. It is very small, but I am going to get a bed, and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to decorate it all nice. And here there's a closet, obviously. I have some of my clothes up here in the closet. Not really much to show here. Maybe when the house is fully furnished, I'll give you guys a tour. But yeah, this is pretty much what my guest bedroom is looking like. And I think we're done. Show you guys my cute little gold clock. So I know it's a little random, but like I said, I wanted to bring out the color from the apartment. So I got this gold clock that I thought goes really well with the yellow theme in the living room. Here I have my certificate of enrollment for the Navy. So for the military. I have this beautiful frame that I got from Heart for $9.99. I have all my family pictures and stuff in here. That's my best friend number 1, best friend number 2, my little sister, my fam, cousin. This was my enrollment picture for the Army, or the Navy actually. This is just me in uniform during a training day. This is me and my cousin in London, me and my father, my mother and my brother. And that is pretty much it for the tour. Oh, and this is just my closet where I put my shoes and stuff when I get in the house. This little empty space is where I plan on putting my desk because I am going back to school soon. So I'm gonna organize this area, get a nice little desk, set it up with all my books, my pens and everything. I'm gonna, you know, decorate it all nice. Like I said, once the apartment is fully furnished, I'm gonna show you guys that. But that is basically what I'm planning on doing with this space right here. And yeah, man, that is pretty much it. If you enjoyed this apartment tour, please give me a like, a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do with the apartment, also don't forget to leave them down below. And I really hope to see you guys in my next one. Also, I forgot to mention the most important thing, don't forget to join the fam if you want to see more content like this. Subscribe, turn on your notification bells, and I really hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.